friends.
Today we're here at Royale High, and everyone is changing. Why? Why is everyone changing? And everyone's like bald. And a girl is like raising her hand, sitting. Is she like real or is she fake? Okay, let me just tell everyone that they're on YouTube. Wait, are you still there? Pox?
What?
Where are you still here in the changing place?
Yeah, but I don't know how to change.
You're on YouTube. Subscribe to Chicken Pox Universe to see a vid with you and it.
So many beautiful hairs. Outfit. Oh yeah.
Why are people never surprised that they're on YouTube? And we barely have any subscribers. We have 2. We've always had 2. Okay, where are you?
I'm still in here. Ooh, that's so cool.
Are you in the changing
Yes.
place?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna just start changing too.
I need
now
a
that
look
everyone's changing.
style.
Oh, this girl's like walking around me because she wants to be on YouTube. And a person said, "Hi, hey." Okay, I'm gonna dress up.
Ooh.
Help! What happened to my hairs? Reset. Help.
Okay. Let me get that. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I'm so pretty. Oh yeah. Oh.
Okay, those are pretty. And now I'll just make them black.
I'm like so St. Patrick's Day themed. Yeah, I'm so St. Patrick's Day themed. Oh yeah.
No, seriously, wait.
Girl?
I'm gonna,
Are you okay? Oh, you look so good, your style. Oh no, that's bad. Go back to the train.
What happened?
I'm down here in the train part. Help.
Oh no, not the unicorn. Why are all of us here trying to find a good outfit, but we just can't? That's kind of cute, I guess.
Mine's.
That's a leprechaun. That one's ugly. I'll wear this. No, that's ugly. I'll wear this. I can do with that. No, on your face. Face.
Ew, that's a cool face. Yeah, that's good.
The one I have on now?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, that's good.
Sure?
Yeah.
It kind of looks like I'm looking up into the nothing, and that's what I always do, so it's perfect.
Oh yeah.
Where are you?
I'm flying. Flying in the sky. Okay, now I'm walking. Where are you?
You can barely go upstairs while you're flying. Like, how to control when you're flying? Where are you?
I'm here. Let me just stop flying. Hi.
Are you really in the train?
I'm jumping. See, yeah, look. I'm gonna be here on the stairs, okay?
I can't see you. Are you this kid?
Can you see me jumping?
Yeah.
It's
Me
me.
jumping?
Yeah.
Oh,
Let me
The
fly.
hardest part on Royal High is always finding the right outfit. Everyone's teleporting themselves.
Come.
Okay. Let's just keep going up. Come up. Ooh. There's new St. Patrick's Day places.
Okay. I'm stuck in here. Okay.
Ooh, this place actually has some pretty cool outfits.
Do you go up there?
Ooh, I like this. I need this. I need this.
Wow, there's a giant rainbow. Where is this place? I'm out in the world. Are you here out in the world? Ooh, I want to go to the Rainbow Hotel. Oh my gosh, that's so stylish clothes. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh, that's so bad. This is a boys' clothes store? Ew, no, this is a boys' clothes store.
I'm just looking for my...
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, my car. My car. I want it to be my car. Huh. Huh.
Where are the pants I just bought? I bought a gummy bear outfit.
Cool.
I need my gummy bear outfit. Where is it? I want to be a gummy bear.
Oh, yeah, my gummy bear.
That's no red. I said I wanted red stuff.
Up.
The
Up,
little
up, 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 up into the sky. I'm going up. What do I tell you? I'm gonna go up. Oh yeah, I'm going. Oh, I'm up here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Jump, jump. Woo, woo. Oh yeah, I'm going to the ceiling.
Wait for me, please.
It's raining. The rainbow is gonna come out.
Hey, I want to see the rainbow.
There's the rainbow. Oh no, I'm stuck in here. I forgot my grandpa died.
I just need to find something.
No. Yes, I did it.
I look bad in this, but where are you?
I'm flying.
But I want to be like in the video.
Okay, so come to the clothing store, the green one.
There's a lot of green clothing stores.
It's named Seahorse Sales.
Seahorse Sales?
Yeah. Oh, so good.
That's Princess Boutique. So keep going. Hawaii Posture.
Do you see those giant rainbow things? Look, these giant rainbow things.
There's a lot of giant rainbow things.
These.
Oh, those giant rainbow things? Oh, I'll go there. Let me just go down the apartments. Fly. Go very high. No, very low.
Ah, beautiful, yeah.
It's raining.
I know.
Can you wait for me?
Yeah.
Because I'm like trying to go down. Oh, wait, there's this bridge.
Oh, I can see you in the bridge.
I'm on the bridge.
Just get down the bridge and you're good. Oh yeah, can you see me jumping?
What color are you in?
I'm in the green.
Okay, now I need to like really get a cool outfit.
Get down.
Hey, can I get a cool outfit, please?
Yeah, so get down.
I'm down.
Oh, where are you?
I'm right behind you.
What the? I can't see. You're a box. Whoa. That's weird. I'm going inside the seahorse
Wait for me.
shop.
Please wait for me. I want to be in the video.
Where Where do you get those pretty clothes from? Oh my gosh, no. There's no entrance. Oh yeah, there is. Can you see me jumping?
I'm waiting for all these outfits to like.
I'm gonna be.
Oh, I was wearing a guy thing.
I'm going there.
Oh, there we go. There's some like green stuff. That's kind of cool. I like this. Not a lot of porn. That one's not good. That looks cute. Okay.
Oh, there are so many things to choose. There's so many rainbow styles. Oh, I don't want to change my clothes. This one that I bought now
What
is.
store are you in?
Okay, I'm getting out here. Jumping.
I'm jumping too.
I can see you.
What store are you in? What's it called?
I'm gonna go to the seahorse place, okay?
It's Seashore.
Seashore sale.
Okay, I'm right here next to you.
Okay, come.
Ooh, your face is cool.
I can't see you. You're invisible for me.
I'm right here.
Where are you?
Come on. What's happening to me?
I don't know. Come on, follow me.
Let's just teleport to the school.
How do you teleport to the school? Oh, let's go to the apartment.
Like, let's get an apartment. Don't you think we should, like, get an apartment for us?
Yep. Get the teleport.
Where are you?
I'm gonna go teleport to the apartment. Visit your apartment.
Not Earth. Earth is bad.
Yeah.
So guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, share with other friends, and we'll see you part 2. Bye.